Hi everyone. I hope you're having a good day. I know I'm having a very, very good day because today I get to open this box. And this is a very special box because it contains the first 10 copies of my new book. And I'm going to open it and reveal the cover to you. And I'm so excited about that. So let's do this. So while I open the box, I will briefly tell you what my book is about. One of my favorite books in the Old Testament in the Bible is Nehemiah. And I started working on this book back in 2016. And it took me about 5 years, 6 years to write the content. And then there was a pandemic and all that. And then 2 years for formatting and editing. So it's finally coming to completion. It's very exciting. So if you like Bible commentaries, that's the book for you. It is Strategy, a divine blueprint for spiritual battles. A Bible study on Nehemiah. I hope you like it.